Welcome back to another video. If you guys know anything about electric skateboards, yeah, 80-85 motors, four-wheel drive. This thing is a power monster. And I stripped out that screw. Yep, time to drill. And eternity later. Boom. That's gross. Gotta clean that up later. Taking off the next wheel. These screws are what hold on the drivetrain to the motor gear. Drive gear, I should say. And that center screw is what keeps the wheel on. Loosening these ones by hand. We don't need any more strip screws. Electric screwdriver makes quick work of this. Cutting the soldered connections. Taking off the third wheel. Third drive gear. Loosen by hand, of course. And the fourth wheel. As you can see, working on a four-wheel drive system is definitely time-consuming. Taking off the clips that hold these motors together. The shot turned out pretty well, I think. Love that contrast. Taking the motor apart. And this is another one that I'll be drilling out the holes for so I can take it apart as well. And as you can see, I'm trying to extract these screws, and that one worked okay. And this one I've been having a little bit of trouble with. Drill it out a little deeper. Yeah, break it off. Not a big deal. Yep, this drill bit is completely dull. It's about to snap off with the pressure. All right. About to tap out these holes. This is the drill bit that came with the tap. Handy little combination to buy. So you guessed it, we are increasing the size of these screws. Now we are tapping them out. Very time-consuming process. It's better to take your time with this versus breaking a tap. So we're just drilling the head right off of there. And then going right through and taking out the shaft as well. Pause. That screw is pretty done. Almost at the bottom there. There we go. Luckily there's a little space under these screws, so it allowed the drill press to pop down with the pressure. So I could tell exactly where the bottom of these holes are. And the head just came off. Needs more oil. Don't want it smoking. It's starting to sound like a ditty party. Lots of cutting oil. Yep. Yeah, you were all waiting for it. There we go. Definitely don't want this bit going dull. And you can see that my workpiece is not properly in its vise. Taking off all the C-rings of the new motors. And there we go, taking them all apart. Yeah, it's generally advised to tighten down your bits when using your drill press. More tapping, lots and lots of tapping. Yeah, you want to make sure all the fluid gets into the hole. Pause. And you can see I didn't cut this one, so I can show you guys how long it takes. Don't want to rush tapping. Finally hit the bottom of the hole there. More drilling. There's a total of 16 holes to drill and tap. Yeah, I'm not going to hold you guys up watching. Before I had those sped up, the video was literally about twice as long. Just to give you guys an idea of how long it takes to tap. So all the drilling you guys see now is the drill bit not used to clear out the bit or the old screw, but to match with the tap. So that's why I'm tapping right afterward. And now we are gluing down these wires. Those loose wires could cause catastrophe if they were to short out. It's unlikely that they would short out, but burning up a motor controller is unacceptable. Cleaned out the motors the best I could. So now I'll be applying the new glue. I also use this glue to seal up these not waterproof parts here. Those are the Hall sensors. Having failing Hall sensors will mean that the motor will not be able to start from a stall completely like a 0 RPM. Tapping out more holes. I would speed up the drilling process, but I just found that the footage turned out so nicely. Rip camera, bro. Lining up the drill bit a little bit better there. There we go. Gotta say that $80 drill press from Harbor Freight and that $60 cross slide vise definitely came in handy. Line up the holes a little better. Definitely don't want to make a crooked hole. Rip